swear if I fail another test, the old hag gets fired.
I think you're just dumb. Just ask my fans.
Your only fans are your parents.
You think you're right, Lex. Of course you do that, Toad. I follow you, Donna.
Shut up, Ava!
Hey guys.
What's going on?
Hey there, besties. Imagine moi wearing that. What do you think?
More than a dress to fix that.
Look what you did! Lucky ducks, now you get to see the magic happen live.
The secret to beauty is starting with a good canvas. Thankfully, I'm blessed with one.
Rude? Oh, what the heck, man?
Samples. You gonna try a sample?
Whoa.
Only one per customer.
Oh, this stuff? No ammo.
Okay, you're coming with me.
Let go of me, dude. I'm freaking serious.
We've got a lot of place right you, kid. You come follow.
Yeah, okay. So far.
Hey, what's all this?
What do you think?
Isn't that stupid?
Duh.
What'd you get?
Nothing.
Hey! Hey, I'm trying back!
Punks like you that never went to anything unless the kids disappointed your parents.
It's not my dad, it's a loser mall cop. What the hell? Is this a joke? Are they messing with me? I hate you! I hate you! Wait, stop.
Only a 20?
Worthless.
Come on. You can't do that. She really needs those, but you can't just throw them away. Fine, take them out of the trash if you want them.
We're friends, right? Guys, are we friends or not? Why invite me if you're just going to ignore me?
Shut up!
Fine. Screw you. I'm tired of chasing your company. I am not beneath you. There's so many ways I can have fun without you. Sorry, here.
Give me one reason why I shouldn't call the police.
My friends, I don't know.
Are you the same person as your friends?
I don't have everything, but I have
Still.
this, and I hope I can make up for the rest of this stuff.
Still, I appreciate you getting these back to you.
You see the attention?
Look who it is, everyone!
Stop! You can't see me like this!
But you want this.
I don't. Just stop filming me.
You can't have it both ways, can you? At least, not all the time. Look at that pretty face. Much prettier when it's not forced.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
It's punks like you that never amount to anything. You must be a huge disappointment to your parents. Shut up! Maybe you're afraid of losing the respect of your so-called friends. Make them feel small just so that you can look big.
That's not true.
I hope when you go home tonight, you think about how you've made yourself the loneliest person in the world.
I'm sorry. I don't want to be alone. I'm sorry. Eva, I should listen.
Are you real?